So a bit like the Twisted Duo we saw before, it's formation aerobatics with brightly coloured aircraft, but with pyros still to come. Watch out when they're hitting the vertical, that's when they'll let the first fireworks off in a few manoeuvres time. At the moment they're just easing into it gently with some loops and wing loads. Thurston tucked in very nicely and tightly behind and below his leader, John Bell.
I tell you, the Seagulls don't know what's happening this evening. They've never seen anything like it. Oh boy, it's absolutely stunning to see two little specks at the moment as they background.
Roll at the top, and are now flying away from us.
Oh, there's the balloon up there.
What?
The balloon up there. Oh, yeah.
There we go. We now do have a Fireflies start.
Here come the fireworks from the wings. Trailing a blaze of fireworks and setting off little orange and red sparks behind them as they go.
Performing synchronized loops, each aircraft performing the same maneuver as the other. Now, like a pair of comets, still streaming that comet-like tail, performing a synchronized barrel roll, rolling around the inside of an imaginary barrel, lying on its side in the sky. Oh, there we go, another explosion of light. Now with the comet tail still streaming, they pull up as if to loop the loop, but roll the right way up on the way down for a half Cuban 8.
It's almost like they're writing with a calligraphy pen through the sky as they weave around each other. And look at the trail of fireworks is still going. It's been going for several minutes now. So graceful and beautiful.
Now the first of a succession of synchronized loops and rolls. Now the pyro stream has finished, but there will be more to come later on in the display.
So who's up there lighting the match?
Followed by Andy doing exactly the same, coming down, chasing him down almost like a dogfight, a Star Wars type dogfight.
The fireworks are scattering down from both the blue and the red aircraft, falling down towards the sea. What about that, ladies and gentlemen? A cheer for the Flyers so far?
Hey!
Watch out for those waterfall pyros.
And their lights were just glistening on the sea.
There they go.
Here they go. Wow! They're soaring up into the sky, the trail of fireworks behind them, and they're shooting out fireworks as they turn the corner. As the light levels increasingly darken here in Clacton, it's really good to see the fireworks and the planes now that are in that blue and red neon light. It's really standing out now against the evening sky.
So I wonder how many reports of UFOs will be filed this evening from people who don't know what's going on.
Well, you'd wonder, wouldn't you, if you suddenly saw this happening? Of course, they're all listening to BBC Essex Radio Airshow, so hopefully nobody is at all unsure of what is happening. It'd be great if you were like my commercial plane, you know, in the distance. You saw this out the window on your EasyJet flight. You'd wonder what on earth was going on.
Yes, indeed. So the pyros have ended, so we're now just seeing a formation loop, but we've still got the aircraft lit up in blue and red and with the strobe lights flashing.
They look even better now.
I do.
Now repositioning to fly back into the centre towards us from straight ahead on what we call the B axis.
Get ready, Clacton, for a huge cheer. We'll let you know when we need to say goodbye to this fabulous display from the Fireflies. So hands ready for a big clap and a big cheer soon.
And we know that all pilots are romantics at heart. We saw a heart from the Twisters. Here we have the Fireflies heart.